Now guys, this is the second part of making reels in Canva. Canva is a free designing software. Welcome to Alara. Look sharp, live bold, be Alara. Are you ready to make viral and trending reels in Canva? So let's start. First of all, I went to Google and searched Canva. Click on Canva and you will see a search box in front of you. In that search box, type red and orange minimalist good morning template. And you will find a lot of amazing templates. I selected this one. Template video is already amazing, so I won't changing it. But I want the font to look even better. For that, you can see font options at the top. Simply click one you like and choose font will automatically apply to the text. You must have seen many times that quotation reels are currently very trending, whether they are motivational, self-love or nature related. All of them are trending and such reels often go viral. Here I have written the slogan of my sportswear store, but you can write anything you like. You can even create a page on platforms like Instagram with this type of content and start earning. Now go to elements and search quotation marks and you will see a lot of quotation marks. I selected yellow one. After that, I am showing you different effects. Choose the one you like. If you are in a need of high quality and reasonable t-shirt, then website link is available in my bio. Guys, part 3 is going to be amazing, must watch and like the video.